Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this gear right here. This baby right here is Canon Pixma TS5351a. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, triple in one if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network, likewise USB cable connection. I'm going to give you an overview of this printer, then show you step by step how to install the ink cartridges. This printer is using ink cartridges 560 and 561 is for color. 560 is black. Okay? So I'm going to turn this printer around. This printer is very light, it's not heavy, it's economical and affordable for student work, for businesses. From the back here, if you have any paper jam, I do get a lot of questions, people asking about paper jam. This is where to check for any paper jam. Open up this section, check for any paper jam and debris, okay? And once you're done, gently close, put the cover back, okay? And here is the power cable. 3-pin power cable is included in the packaging, okay? Just above the power cable, we have the USB cable spot. Unfortunately, USB cable is not included in the packaging. This is the USB cable. This is what it looks like. We have this at Vinyl Tech Store, free delivery here in UK, and it goes in here, okay? It goes in here, push it inside, it's in, and this flat end goes inside the back of your PC. And once you stick it in, it will recognize this printer. You need to download the software, okay, by putting the CD-ROM. This printer got the CD-ROM. Here is the CD-ROM. So once you stick this into your PC, download it to your PC, and it will recognize and connect your printer. But if you connect this printer with your mobile device, then you don't need the software. You don't need this CD-ROM, okay? Now, this an information pack is included with the packaging in various languages, okay? So you just need to check up the language you reside, okay? Excuse me, and we'll give you the information you need. Going to now, this is the rear paper tray. This printer got two paper trays holder, rear paper tray and front casket. So you load particular paper A4 4x6, A4 paper B5, various size, just need to adjust it with the holder. Okay, so this is the rear paper tray. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, here is the scanner, flat-based scanner. Load particular document, ID card you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner, and select the function from the panel here. Okay, I'm going to lift this printer up this way. So you want to lift it up this way. And I want to mention, if you want to close this printer, you need to find the pattern backwards movement and front. So going backwards and front for you to close it. If you open it up and go straight forward, you're going to break it. Okay, so there'll be a resistance. You can see right now what I'm doing is resisting. So you need to make sure you go back. If you go front straight away, you're going to break it. So you need to go backwards and front then for you to close it. Okay, and this printer, like I mentioned, is using ink cartridges, okay, 560 and 561, which we are going to load. But before we do that, I also want to open up this section. This is the button casket. Like I mentioned, this printer got two paper tray holder, the rear one, okay, and the front one. With this front one, you can adjust it, you can extend it, okay. If you want to extend it, you just need to press this arrow here, this holder here, extend it, and adjust it to the particular paper you are using. A4, liter, B5, A5. So to particular paper, even photo paper, once you load the particular paper, you just need to adjust it, okay. So now I'm going to put this back. Okay, it's in. Now what we need to do, basically this is the front panel. With this front panel you can do a lot of stuff. This is where you get the information. You turn this printer on and off from right here. This is okay. This button here is for you to start your work, and this button here is for you to cancel. This button here is for you to go back. Okay, so and also here is for you to identify your proximity. What we want to do is load the ink cartridges, but before we do that I want to mention that this printer is compatible with Windows and also Mac. You can print up to 13 prints per minute for black color and up 6.8 print per minute for color. It's double-sided. Okay, so you can do double-sided with this printer, and it's auto power on and off, front feeder and rear feeder. So with this printer, if you connect it with your mobile device, okay, you can print and scan from your smartphone or tablet with Canon Print Inject Selfie. Okay, likewise Canon is Easy-Photoprint Editor. All this app will help you to do the job you want to do. Okay, Creative Pack as well, prints or free paper craft content with smart device app. So this printer deserves your attention. What we want to do right now is show you how to install this. Okay, and from there, if we close this printer right now, okay, let's say switch it off. Now if you open it up, the ink cartridges holder, straight away once you switch it off, the ink cartridges holder will move away from the middle. If you put it on, it will come right in the middle for you to change it. Okay, so right now what we need to do is open this up. Just pull off, and you can see what we got here is 561 color. So C is for color. So you go in straight in, okay, and close it. You see here a click sound. Do the same thing to the black one. Okay. Pull off. Now go in to the black, close. Okay, and once you're done, remember what I said, backwards movement and front, and close it, and give this printer time to recognize. Okay, and it's telling us cover has been closed. So right now we just need to give it time for this printer to tell us that genuine ink cartridges has been installed. Okay, here we go. The following genuine ink cartridges has been installed. Okay, so scroll down, it will tell you PG 560 and 561 color. Click OK. Okay, so right now this printer, this is how to set the ink. Okay, it's right now set and ready. I'm going to show you on my next video basically how to load the paper tray for this printer. But before we do that, we need to connect this printer to a Wi-Fi network, then load the paper tray and the printer alignment head. Okay, if you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you and stay blessed.